Hello Year 2. So our learning question today, my turn. Can I draw pictograms and block diagrams? Your turn. Can I draw pictograms and block diagrams? So today we're increasing the challenge again. You're going to draw both, okay? Let's check out our understanding so far. What is this called? Shh, don't say anything, just think. What's it called? After 3 you can tell me. 1, 2, 3. That's right, it's called a tally chart. Now this tally chart is about favourite pets, but someone's forgotten to write the totals in. Can you count the tallies with me? Are you ready? How many cats? 5. There were, shout out for me. That's right, 15 cats. Now how many dogs were there? Shout out for me. There were 5. How many goldfish were there? 5. How many goldfish were there? Shout out for me. That's right, 9. How many rabbits were there? Shout out for me. 4. Well done. That's a tally chart. What's this called? Don't shout out. After 3 you can tell me. What's it called? 1, 2, 3. That's right, it's a pictogram. The pictures are showing the data here and somebody has counted some Smarties. And do you remember that we learned that half a picture can have a different value? So here, 1 picture, 1 circle it has the value of 2, half a circle has the value of 1. That's our pictogram. What's the next picture going to be called? Don't shout out. What's this picture called? After 3 you can shout out. 1, 2, 3. That's right, it's a block diagram. So I've got my scale here, my labels here which say dog, cat, snake, bear, horse and goose. But what's missing? There's no title to tell us what the information's about. What could the information be? Well, it's got animals here, so it could be, what could our title be? Anyone got any ideas? Shout out at me if you have. It could be Animals in the Zoo. Well done. Right, a block diagram is also called. What is a block diagram also called? After 3 you can shout out. 1, 2, 3. That's it. I hope you remembered. I've told you twice now. A block diagram is also called a bar chart. Right, in today's lesson, our key, 1 circle, is going to equal 1 thing, okay? The circle equals 1. Let's have a practice of counting in ones. How many red circles are there? Shout out. 3. We can look and see that one. Right, who's ready for the next one? How many orange circles are there? That's right, there are 5. I can see there are 5, but I'm going to count to check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Who's ready for the next group of circles? How many purple circles are there? There's a few more. We can't look and say, so let's count them. 1, 2. How many? 10. And the blue circles? Got to be more than 10, hasn't there? Because this was 10. But let's count anyway. 1. 11. There was just 1 more. Okay, today's task. We're going to be looking at colourful charts, and this is on page 17 in your maths booklet, okay? And your task today is to colour to complete the pictogram and block diagram. You're going to do both. So I've got a pictogram here, and today I've given you lots of help, so I'm just going to show you how to do the first row. So I've got my pictogram here. Read the title for me. Well done. Favourite colours in class 2. So this pictogram is going to show information about favourite colours. And most importantly, the colours are, read them for me, yellow, green, red, orange, blue and purple. And as I said, one circle equals one child. So all you've got to do is interpret the tally chart and colour in the right number of circles. So we've got how many children said yellow was their favourite colour in class 2? Well, I've got 5 and one more. How many altogether? Yes, 6 children. So I'm going to colour in 6 of my circles, and I'm going to choose to do it in the same colour. If you haven't got all these colours at home, you could just use your pencil or just one colour. So I'm drawing 6, remember. Shout stop when I've got enough. Well done, I heard you all shout stop then. So, I've shown on my pictogram that 6 children said that yellow was their favourite colour. Now all you need to do is represent green onto your pictogram. How many children said red was their favourite colour? You colour in that number of circles. Orange, you complete this row. Blue, you complete this row. And purple, you complete this row. So you're taking the tally information and putting it onto the pictogram. When you've done that, you've got to complete the bar chart, the block diagram, sorry. Okay, so here's the scale, here's my labels, and here's the title, Favourite Colours in Class 2. Now if I look back at my tally chart, I know that 6 children said yellow was their favourite colour. My pictogram shows 6 as well, so my bar chart's got to show 6. So I'm going to colour in 6. There we go. I'm going to colour in 6 squares, okay? I'm going to draw all the way around. I can use my scale as well. 3, 4, 5, 6, just to check, and I'm going to colour those in neatly. You will do it neater than me. Okay? So use your tally chart or your pictogram to complete the block diagram, okay? Then you've got to interpret your block diagram. So children chose yellow, so that's nice and easy. I've done that one for you. It was 6. When you've completed your block diagram, you'll be able to tell me how many children chose green, and how many children chose red, and how many children chose orange, and how many children chose blue, and how many children chose purple, okay? One final job that I want you to do, okay? You've got an extra question that I want you to copy and complete underneath this bit of work here, okay? And your question is, how many more children chose blue than green? Okay, remember what we do with that. We put a bar around the important columns, so it'll be that one, blue and green, and you have to count how many more, okay? That's all the help I'm giving you with that. Right, so you've got to make sure you complete page 17 and page 18 in your maths booklet and email clear pictures of your work to Teachers Year 2 at birchfields.manchester.sch.uk. Can't wait to see your pictograms and your block diagrams. Good job, everyone.